Evening, everyone. It's Tuesday evening, the 24th, and this is your closing comment. It's video number 530. And I remind you, if you like the work and appreciate it, just hit that subscribe button. Okay, so we had some economic news today. We had consumer confidence, which came in a little lower than expected. It was expected 96.5, came in at 96.1. Housing pricing was up 1.7%, and that is an increase from last month's 1.5. And the Case-Shiller index came in at 6.6, and that was expected at 5.5. Tomorrow we have claims, personal income and spending, and FOMC minutes because of the holiday on Thursday, Thanksgiving. They've rolled those forward. We had a bunch of earnings tonight after the close. HPQ, which is Hewlett Packard Enterprise, was a minor beat, and the stock had closed 21.75, up 56 cents. Traded as high as 23.90, and the last was 22.96, up 1.77 or 8.3%. Nordstrom, JWN, finished the day up 111 at 24.55. On the news, ran up to 26.75, and the last is 26.35. That's up 2.85 or 12.4%. Gap, unfortunately, went the other way, although the stock has been on a tear to the upside. It had closed 26.87, up 81 cents. It traded as high as 27.5 on the headline, but then came in to close 24.45, down 161. VMware, a beat top and bottom. Same with Dell, same with Best Buy, but VMware was up about $1, 150, up $1.16. Dell was 71.49, up also $1.14. Both of those about 1.6%, but Best Buy went the other way, and the last was 113.54. That's down 8.5 or 7%. Tesla got an upgrade yesterday, and the strength continued on today. We closed 555.38, up 33.35 or 6.4%. And all of those stocks that I warned you about this morning ran up and then came back down. I discussed NEO, which was 58.5, closed the day down on the day at 53.47. CIIC, which is a SPAC, 28.5, got as high as 33.5 before coming back down to close up $1.92 on the day at 27.37, but $6 off the high. And DPW, which this morning was 8.52, got up as high as 10.94 today, and then fell all the way back to $6, and that was down 16.5, whereas this morning when I told you about it, it was up 300%. Same with FTEK, was trading at 7.04. Finished the day still up on the day, but at 6.04. But that was still 113%, and that one too was up 300%. And last but not least, there was a little one that I have watched for years called Goldfield Corp. The symbol is GV, primarily in Florida and some in Georgia. And what they do is they string fiber above utility lines, and private equity came in and bought the company. It was last traded $6.95, and that was up $2.36. The offer is $7 cash, so I doubt it's going anywhere, but it was up 61% today. Dow was strong, up 454. NASDAQ up 156. S&P up 57. The Russell was up $1.09. It was up 35.23 or 1.94, and the big winner again today was the Dow Jones Transports, up 291.77. And what's interesting about that is that the transports have been leading the market and made new all-time highs for the past 3 days in a row. So that's about that. We have the gold on the chart on the screen, and as you can see, it went right to the 200-day, went through it in a minor way, and then closed just above it. And tonight it's up $1.10. There was absolutely no bounce here whatsoever. And the excitement was all around Bitcoin, which is tonight 19,190. And while that is up just 80, the chart of that, both Bitcoin and GBTC look exactly the same. I sold out a little early on the GBTC. I paid about $8 for it, and the last third of my position I sold off at 1562. And today I think it was 24. This is the Bitcoin, just keeps on riding right up. I really think we're probably going to see a little bit of a pullback here. Maybe, maybe not what I was looking for initially, but we could come back into about 16,000. I mean, this is a daily chart, so in the last 10 days, it's gone from about 15,000, a little higher, up to 19,000. That's a huge move. That's almost a 30% move. All right, everyone. That's about it. And I hope everybody has plans for the holiday. I'll be back first thing in the morning. Try and stay safe, and also try and subscribe.